Hey guys, what's going on? So recently my parents came for a short visit, and we thought it would be interesting to document how Pillow and Pearl reacted to people that they aren't familiar with. Now Pillow, whom we've had for a little over a year, has seen my parents either 2 or 3 times. I actually can't remember, at least twice. However, the last time they were here was last October, so it's been about 7 months since he's seen them. So obviously quite a while for a bird that's just a little over a year old. And Pearl has never seen my parents at all. So we thought it would be interesting to see how they reacted to people, not just people that they were unfamiliar with, but people who were here and sitting down and occupying their space.
She's waiting for someone to pick her up, but let's see if she can come out on her own. Come on. There you go.
So obviously they are not at all shy. They've taken to my dad right away, and they clearly like mustaches. That was not something I would have necessarily anticipated, but there you go. My dad was actually a pet wholesaler for 30 years, and a long time ago, I was too young to even remember, he owned and bred cockatiels, so maybe some of that residual comfort and expertise around birds has stayed with him. And they clearly like eyeglasses, which none of us wear eyeglasses. We wear sunglasses, but obviously not inside, so we've never seen them react to glasses before.
Brendan's here.
Yeah, eat Brendan's here.
Oh.
Stop biting Grandpa's ear! Stop that! She's like, this is my ear, get away! Oh goodness, you janky tail, you're a mess. And now you've got Pillow grooming you too.
And they have obviously taken to my mom as well. So I guess any fears that we might have had about our birds being shy or antisocial or uncomfortable around people they've never seen before or have not seen for a very long time were obviously unfounded. And they had no more problem jumping on them and chewing on them and pecking at them than they do with us, who they see every day. So this was an interesting test. I'm glad it worked out well and there wasn't any stress involved. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.